Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Supabase Studio login issues, database access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Supabase Studio, you're in the right place. First, ensure that you are using the correct email and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity in your input. Next, try resetting your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. After resetting, attempt to log in again using the new credentials. If you're still facing issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and locate the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear browsing data, making sure to include cookies and cached images. Once done, restart your browser and try logging in again. If the problem persists, switch to a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can interfere with the login process. Another potential fix is to check if Supabase services are down. Visit the Supabase status page to see if there are any ongoing outages. If so, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved on their end. Lastly, consider reaching out to Supabase support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about your issue. This can include error messages and steps you've already tried. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems in Supabase Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.